Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall. Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla there again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. Manners and respect. Alright, now, in the first video that I'm going to present to you, you're going to hear a person asking employees of the Transport Authority within the country of Jamaica for motor vehicle documents that seems to belong to the person. Now, one of the reasons why this video is being talked about on social media is because of how employees of the Transport Authority within the country of Jamaica treated the person who was asking for motor vehicle documents. My people, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, alright? Here's the video, look, listen and observe.
Waiting here for a couple minutes now. What am I waiting on? You finished writing the summons?
The Transport Authority boss.
So what, you're waiting on somebody from down the Transport Authority?
Why are you at the boss? I don't have the papers.
So who have my papers? Who have my car papers? Who have my car papers?
What are you talking about?
Big man, are you have my car paper then? Morning, are you have the car papers then? Miss, you have my car documents? So nobody in our bus have my car documents then? How long am I going to be waiting on the car papers?
Someone's going to be prepared for you, sir. There's some patience.
From where? Here or Transport Authority?
Look and listen. Look, listen.
Who is in charge here, please? You are the one that's in charge? Give me car paper, please. Can I please have my car paper if I can't know why you guys are holding on the car paper so long? I'm waiting on the summons from who? Any of you guys in the bus going to write me the summons? Are you in charge, sir? Are you the one that's in charge? Can you please point me to who is in charge, please?
I don't even know, I just take the bus down there.
Sir, are you the one that's in charge? Miss, you're the one who is in charge?
Just look.
Excuse me, you're the one that's in charge? You know, don't even have one badge so people can identify on the name or anything like that. Young lady, you're the one that's in charge?
Well, I'm not fine. I did not smile.
Jamaica, so you stay. So you stay. One bus of people don't touch me.
Sorry for
One bus of people and then have my car paper and then can't tell me who have my car paper. One bus of people, then have my car papers and nobody is in charge in the whole bus. See that? See that?
Start your wedding.
Alright, now my people, let me say these things, you see? I don't want anybody to think me a bash employees of Transport Authority within the country of Jamaica. No, I'm not, you see? Yeah, so if you listen carefully in the video, or if you have listened carefully to the video, then you could hear when at least one person used a certain amount of words that also includes have and patient. You see what I say? Alright, now, in my point of view, I think that the person have a right to know where the documents are at. That's if any of those persons are an employee of the Transport Authority have the person document. See? I was not there, so I don't know how long the person was at that location where the video was recorded. And to be honest, the first time when I saw the video and started to watch the video, I thought that the video was some form of a joke or maybe a prank, because I know sometimes there are persons who will do videos for them views and likes on social media, but the more I watch the video, I started to think different. See? Now, my people, sometimes it's good to think as if you're in someone's position. Let's say, for example, an employee of the Transport Authority driving a motor vehicle, and if an employee or employees of the Transport Authority stop that person and take the person's motor vehicle documents, then the person might be at a certain location for a certain amount of time and don't know who have his or her motor vehicle documents. Then, in my point of view, that person might want to know where the documents them there or so forth. You see me? I say so. It's good to really and truly sometimes think as if you're in a person's position, because understanding a person's position when it comes to a certain situation is way different from experiencing it in a viewers and subscribers. So I say, but then again, if an employee of the Transport Authority gets stopped by employee or employees of Transport Authority, and then the person say, hey, we work for the Transport Authority, then the situation might be totally different for that person. You see me? I say, so I'm not even sure why I even start that example in that way, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say though. See? Maybe the person became impatient because the person was at the location for a certain amount of time. I'm not sure. I was not there. See, but the video has been talked about on social media, and would I like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what I think about the situation that I can see in the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Alright, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a certain amount of persons at a business establishment, and the video also shows a female who was upset at the time when the video was recorded. Now, in the video, you can hear when the female said she wants her money repeatedly. Viewers and subscribers, want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe. I tell my people, money not come easy for enough people, you know. Money not come easy for enough people, you know. That woman blood pressure could go up now, you know, man. You see what I say? And the whole thing can also be a misunderstanding as well to, you know, my people. You see what I say? Because even though you have some people do them banking and so forth, they don't fully understand the whole process of banking and so forth. No? You see what I say? But me notice that the man hold a paper in his hand, so me I wonder what that paper is about. You see me? I wonder what that. But my people are not real though. You set away, you know. You hear the female are going on. Chia, no, me I tell you. Can't ramp with people and them money nowadays, because some people take their money serious. Me I tell you, my people. And I laugh it matter. Anyways, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, because I look on the video and I feel about 3 different ways. Sad, feel like I want to laugh at the same time, and I don't know what to do. Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica are investigating the death of a female in Trelawny, Jamaica on the 23rd of August, the year 2022. It is said that the female's body was found in a community in Trelawny, Jamaica on August 23rd, year 2022, and it is believed that the female had been attacked and killed by dogs. According to more information that I got, it is said that the female goes by the first name of Kathleen, and it is said that the female is in her 70s. It is also said that the female is physically challenged. It is said that the female used a stroller to assist her when walking, viewers and subscribers. According to more information that I got, it is said that sometime after 6 a.m. on August 23rd, the year 2022, residents within the community in Trelawny, Jamaica heard screams of anguish, and sometime after that, the female's body was found not very far away from where the female lived. It is said that the female's clothes was partially ripped or torn up. See, and it is said that the female was laying in blood and that the female's body have deep wounds. Residents believe that the female had been attacked by dogs that escaped from someone's property. Talk about a sad situation, my people. Sad news. So, it is said that the police are doing their investigation when it comes on to this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. And I also got information about the type of dogs that residents believe attack the female, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, based on information that I got, I think that those dogs are dangerous based on information that I got. You see me, as some people. It is said that the police had been alerted about the situation, and police arrived at the scene and processed the scene, viewers and subscribers, and the female's body had been removed, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information if the female's body had been taken to a hospital or what. You see what I'm saying to you? But it is said that the female's body was removed, and based on information that I got the understanding that residents believe that the female had been attacked by dogs. However, it is said that the police are doing their investigation, so hopefully I get more information about this whole situation. Viewers and subscribers, it's really sad though. It's really sad. And I'm just letting you know information that I got, you know. And to each and every dog owners out there, viewers and subscribers, I want to say this, that do your best to make sure that if your dog is a dangerous dog or a really big dog, try your best to make sure that the dog don't escape and become a danger to people out in the public. You understand? Yeah, because there are some rules and laws about owning dogs that can get you into a lot of trouble. You see me, I say, especially if a situation where someone loses his or her life because of a dog that you own. See it? So I must put that one in the out there. You see me, because it is no joke. Okay? Alright, anyways, my people, yeah, so I left it, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one.